Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. With a market cap of $40 billion, HPQ is a S&P 500 company within the computer hardware industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 5.6%. Earnings growth, 28.4%. Earnings estimates, 10.07%. Return on capital, 9.01%. Debt to free cash flow, 1.51 years. Share buybacks, yes. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.59%. Payout ratio, 20.94%. Growth rate, 11.57%. Growth years, 11 years. That gives HPQ 9 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, HPQ is modestly overvalued. What's your thoughts on HPQ in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.